Now we're eating at Ramen 101. Black garlic ramen. Let's see. Standard Arashi.
Nakahanap tayo ng Ramen 101. Gusto namin po kaya lang walang po. Ramen muna. Let's go. Open it. Tonkotsu. Dalawa. Ito yung sa akin garlic.
Is this mine?
I guess so. That's mommy. Yeah.
What's this?
Yeah, taste it. Black mushroom. Can you taste it? How's it? What? Taste it one more. Maybe still the same? Taste the black one. Diba?
101 namin.
Alia. Dalawang name. Pero almost bilis nga.
Laki din ah.
What? This one is garlic.
That's okay.
It's okay. What else did you order? And what?
Tempura and karagi. I mean, takoyaki. I'll have to taste your black garlic.
Taste quite.
Ito yung Yan po naman
Ang dami ng takoyaki. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Double.
Sa Calgary, 4 lang yan. Saka to 4 lang sa Calgary, 6. Sige, tingnan mo nga. Mainit yan sa loob, ha?
Binigay po niya yung ano. Wala naman masyadong yung prices. So wala po
Mainit?
naman diba?
Sarap. Patayin nga. May tentacle sa 1 tikel.
It's good.
No, this is Now we're eating at Ramen 101. Black garlic ramen. Let's see. Standard Arashi.
Sarap siya.
Sarap. Like Arashi?
Yung arashi kasi, creamy.
Yan hindi.
Hindi siya masyadong creamy, pero masarap yung flavor niya.
What about the noodles? Can you say if it's handmade, home stretch, hand stretch?
So,
Sarap.
careful with hot sauce, okay?
Like if Arashi is 9, what is that?
Lumalaban sa arashi to.
So, almost 9 daw.
Arashi is Japanese food too.
Sabang.
Let's try. This is what is it?
Tonkatsu.
Tonkatsu. Yeah, masarap yung broth niya.
Pero di
Hindi
siya
siya
creamy.
maalat. Yeah. Let's try yung pork niya. The pork. I don't know how tawag dito. Shoyu pork. Yeah, malasa.
Sarap.
Sarap. And then the egg, perfectly cooked. And the noodles, let's try.
Naubos na ni AJ.
Yeah, sarap ka.
Sarap siya, gutom ka lang.
Pwede siya lumalaban sa Arashi.
Okay. Patapos na tayo. Alas 5 na yata Kaya lang sobrang init dito. As in, parang nasa Pilipinas. Ayan, nakapag-shopping na rin siya. So, papalamigin ko lang to sa sasakyan. Dahil sobrang init. Tapos, uwi na tayo sa Baleho. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.